So many people are always asking how to get the digital speedometer in the center cluster. A lot of people seem to want that, so I'm just going to make this video to show you how. It's pretty simple. As you can see, it's currently on the default. Well, I'm not sure if this is the default, but this is the driving assistance screen. So if you want to get a digital speedometer right there in the center, by default it's usually unchecked. What you do is to push this button here. As you can see, multiple presses, it cycles through different information but no digital speedometer. Okay, what you want to do is you want to stop on the screen that has a scrollable thing on the side. Not sure what you call that, but let me just show you that again. As you can see here, the little boxes on the side indicates that there are more options to this screen. So on this screen, you can then use the rolling wheel. As you can see, it cycles through different information. Okay, cycling through here, you can see there is still no digital speedometer. What you need to do is to go to this screen that says select contents. Okay, so here you're gonna press and hold the OK button. So you press and hold the OK button, you're gonna have options, and there's a checkbox here that shows you if it's selected or not. So as you can see, the digital speedometer is not selected. Let me just do that again because it times out after a couple of seconds. So press and hold. Okay, you can cycle through. You can select the options that you want to be in this menu or don't want to be there. So as you can see, tire pressure is selected, engine temperature is selected. So I'm going to go ahead and select the digital speedometer. You see a blue check mark. You press this button to exit. Now, when you scroll through this menu here, what you're going to see is your digital speedometer. That's it. You just leave it on that option and it should be there every time you enter the car by default. Okay, I hope this video helped.